Hello guys, this is the video after to repair the link condition on this 2014 Acura MDX. And look at this. Look, this is the bad part. Okay, and look, this is the values now after to repair the link condition. All right, so if you see the values right here in the short and long term, look, the unit measure on this value is negative, and the other is 8.6 and 7.8. okay, if you remember in the other video we have values with 20 and 18%. okay, so because it was in a link condition. All right, so now we already fixed the issue. Okay, so I want to show you what happened with the fuel trims. Okay, this is a normal condition. All right, if you see this one in the bank 1 and bank 2, now is working properly. All right, so just check if you have a link condition with the P0171 on P074 with both banks, the bank 1 and bank 2. After to repair the vacuum leak, or if you found some vacuum leak in the system, just go to check the fuel trims. And if the fuel trims is going down maybe for 0 to 10%, the issue is done. All right, it's fixed. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget like and subscribe. All right, so see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.